Alright, so you can see we're in the middle of a drawing. It's just a wooden piece. So you can see the wood, solid wood here. And this frame, I'm doing the acrylic painting. Now let's put the colors. So in the beginning, we're going to put some shades on the one side of the trees only. Let's put the shades here. Okay. So few colorful shades you can see on the one sides. Just make the tree little much appealing so that it just looks nice. Okay, so I'm just putting the colors for the bigger trees here. Okay, usually we use the brushes, the small brushes, to make the drawing. As you know, this is a wood piece, so putting the color is not easy. It's little bit tough because of the rough surfaces you can see, but the rough surface has a good thing because it also helps to have a nice texture. You can see the texture, it's like the matte color formations. So now we are going to put a sun here. So let's draw the sun on the sky. Okay, maybe this is little bit tough, but the drawing is going to look good after the color is provided. So we're putting the white color for the sun drawing. Okay, and the shape of the sun is going to be perfectly round shape. Okay, so let's put the color a little bit more. Sun is here, and you can see the two birds are flying. So let's do the borders for the birds here. Okay, this is the borders of the birds. All right, another bird you can see here. Let's take the white color a little bit just to define the nice visualizations of the birds. It's just flying high in the sky, but because of the black color it was not that clearly visible, but now you can see the appearance. Another birds you can see here. So three of them I have drawn previously, so now I'm putting it on the shape. All right, and all the trees you can see, just I'm doing a border outlines to show the presence of the trees. So it's there and making the drawing alive. Okay. All right, so it's just a little use of the white colors and making the drawing a nice one with a good appearance. Okay, all right, also we can put some white colors combinations for the taller trees which is present here. Let's rotate the canvas a little bit for the convenience of putting the colors. You can see I'm just putting some drops of the white parts for each of the trees, so each of the trees becoming nicely visible. All right, the next one is a little bit taller, so the white combinations is coming from the tallest part. Okay, all right, and this is the last one. Okay, all right. The thing is that things are getting nicely visible as we can combine or the merge the colors formations over the water, because the sun is falling over the water, and that's why some shades of the white formations is going to be here, and this is going to come up to the middle point. Mhm. Okay, so this is the point. All right. Mm-hmm. And for the stars in the sky, let's put few dots with the white one. So that's making the sky looking nice. Some dots you can see here. Mm-hmm. So these are the systems with which you can do the details for each one. And for the trees here, just we put few white strokes like this to make the trees visually presentable. It has some branches, and you can see the branches like this. Okay, put the brush strokes like this, very soft strokes, and the one sides of the trees, and the trees are going to be nice looking. The half portion is the light shade, and the other half portion is going to be the darker shades. Okay, and I'm just working on the last one, so this is going to be the finishing points for putting the shades for the trees which are in a far distance. Okay, and also few white tones. Okay, now only little bit detailing is left for the trees which is present here, so you can see the details. Okay, and also for the next one, it's present here. Okay, and finally the last one. So all right, the presentations going to be nice. All right, all right. You can see a straight line coming for the trees here. Mm-hmm. Okay, and another straight line maybe we're going to put for the other one. Looks like this, and here few strokes. Okay, so it's a simple sunset scenery which is uh, considered to be the evening time, and because of the sun, the birds are going to their home, it's flying back to home. So all this natural phenomena is just visualized here. So that's the drawing. I hope you like the video. So we always try to put the nice appearance as good as possible. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the updates. Thank you so much. Have a good day.